Hi guys, we're at the Elara in Las Vegas. We're in room 1209. These are one bedroom units. Look, you come in, nice large. All these people are in my video now. Okay, you have a little kitchen area. Really nice. Large granite dining area. Bathroom over here. Let's do that. With double sinks. A washer dryer now. This is the toilet and a shower, and then it's the walkthrough for the sunken tub over there, a king bed, a lounge chair, and of course these big windows that look out to this beautiful area. And from our view we can see New York, New York, the Sphere now, the wind. So that is a quick tour of this great space that we have. Thanks again, guys. Take care.